it's your boy Joe Ratchet here. I am here at Keoki's Hawaiian BBQ here in Marina. About to eat lunch with my dad. I want you guys to see this food review, and I love this food spot, so I wanted to give it a video and share it with you guys. It's super cool Hawaiian spot. Breakfast served all day, shaved ice. So me and my dad got a bento box, one, and I got a mixed plate, number one. These are all of the meats that you could choose from. My dad got these three, and I got teriyaki chicken, chicken katsu, and Keoki wings. So excited. My chicken teriyaki right here, the wings in the middle, chicken katsu right there, and then my dad's kalua pork, chicken wings, and then chicken katsu. Dad, I'm gonna record you, okay? And then I'm gonna just like give me your review of like what you think of the food.
No.
Why?
Wala.
Ayaw mo ba yung pork?
Ayoko.
Masarap. Well, that's what my dad said. He said the chicken teriyaki is good of mine, but the pork of his he's not a big fan of. Well, good job, Dad. Yeah. Hey guys, so me and my dad, we are finished up at the thanks for smiling, Dad. It's not Korean. At the Hawaiian BBQ spot in Marina. Out of 10, I would probably give it a. It used to be a lot better than it used to, or it used to be better, and then now it's not as good anymore. Not as good as it used to be, but it's still pretty good Hawaiian food that's local here in the 831. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. See you guys soon. Quick shout out, please follow my food Instagram at Fat Joe Ratchet. Check it out.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.